aka. Kubara Jesus aka. Kubara Jesus aka. I'm speaking Igbo to her so that Igbo will be the first language she knows how to speak. Okay, I see. She said, yes, wow. Mama. Abolo mama. Onige. Abolo mama. Ogota rice. Chiruru. Ogadi ko repube. Hey. Nwakwa mgbochi ga-etiwa. Ugo nke anyị ga-achake. N'ọnọdụ ọbụla. Ogadi ko repube. Ndị na-amaghị ga-amara.
Come on! Hey!
So guys, this is open salad. So guys, for the rest of this video, I'll be explaining things to you about Omugo in English and Igbo, so that you'll be understanding everything. So this is me just enjoying my meal, and you can see I just finished giving birth, so I know may look good. Igbo Omugo onwe ka isi awu nwa arụ anyị na-ama nwa mmiri ọkụ ọfụma ọfụma ka afọ a na-afụ for that thing na-akpọ colic gali affect nwa ka ọ lalụ ọfụma and then career dị ọcha. So I want to welcome you home, my husband. We made these decorations. No, welcome home. Omugo la yomalichangwa. No. Mommy no na-esi nne m na nne di m ha nọ na-esi nne na-esi ofe na-esi nne dị iche iche iji wee obi kerere nke so I na support Peter Obi Obi no no ya wa remove. So nke a bụ mọmị m na nwa nọ na-alalụ ọla m wee sefa foto. Ndị nke a bụrụzia my sister-in-laws mgbe ha bịa ifo nwa. Onye ka ha si admire nwa. So sweet and loving. Mmadụ niile dị so happy and then nwa follow. She's so cute, she's so cute, she's so cute. Ay, na up and down. Okay, nke a bụ nwanne m nwoke mgbe m mụsị nwa, so no change go step ya as a new uncle na agazi etu a watago ezege. Muna mama kpọlụzie nwa pụọ eje take a walk I gala ka nwa na ikuku fresh air outside. nke a bụkwa ndị mmemme ama mgbe ha bịara ịfụ nwa ọfụ na-agba egwu kụrụ nwa na-agba egwu na-ete egwu na-ekele Chineke n'ihe o mere dị too much. Otuto dịrị Chineke. Ha bịakụrụ nwa na-agba egwu na-enwe anwụrị. Egwu dị too much. I had to fast forward this egwu because ọ bụ na m fast forward this egwu was more than 30 minutes long. Ebe a nwa bụ mụ na di m during Hallelujah Challenge. Anyị bịara Chineke otuto because the last Hallelujah Challenge ọ just bụ ekpere a nọ na-ekpe prayer request mana kịta Chineke mego ya dị m kụzi na na-eme Thanksgiving on Hallelujah Challenge.
Yeah.
Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Igbo kwezono.
Yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest. Okay, so what we're going to be discussing today is Omugo. Igbo Omugo. What is Igbo Omugo? Gini bu Igbo Omugo? What do people do in Omugo? What is expected of you in Omugo? The do's of Omugo, what you do in Omugo, what Omugo is all about. So my mom will be saying, because my mom is here all the way from Nigeria to do Omugo for this beautiful girl here. Okay, mommy, first question. Gini bụ Omugo?
Yeah. Omugo bụ ihe omenala ndị Igbo. A na-eme Omugo mgbe nwa gị mụrụ nwa, like etu nwa m amụ nwa mgbe si Nigeria wee bịa Omugo. Ihe nji wee bịa bụ ka nyeri ya aka mgbe ọ na-awụ nwa arụ, nyeri ya aka wee gwa nwa arụ maka ubere mbụ na betin. Denu nke ọzọ bụ nsieri eni msara a na-etinye ụzịza na ụtazị. O wee rie ya ọgbacha ya afọ ọfụma, afọ oji nwa. Nyeri ya aka mgbe nwa na-enye nsogbu n'anyasị. Ịma na onye si na level mgbe pụta, nyeri ya aka wee mụọ anya anyasị. So Omugo dị mkpa iji wee nyere nwa gị aka o wee nweke zụọ nwa maka na ọzụbere ya nwa mbụ, ọmụbere mbụ. So Omugo amaka. Ndị ọzọ ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-eṅomizi omenala ine Omugo maka na afọ na ihe dị mkpa.
Okay, so basically Omugo is when your mom comes to take care of you after you have a baby. She cooks for you, she baths the baby, she cleans the baby, she cleans for you. She is literally like she does everything that you would have been doing for yourself while she's taking care of you and your baby. I say hello to Ndi Igbo. So she does everything. For instance, this cloth now, she made it for us. It's part of Omugo. So she cleans, she cooks, she baths the baby, because there's a way that we bath the baby. Like the Igbo people will press hot water on the stomach to help with colic. Those late nights, baby doesn't sleep. I sleep very, very well while she takes care of baby. Okay, so that is Omugo. Okay, what kind of food do you cook during Omugo?
Yeah.
Well, for the benefit of Nina Maria, I have vegetable soup with cow leg, kesilo, very soft and yummy. What I go, kabal moi, bake. Jollof rice with moi plantain, chicken. Can I enjoy? One needs to be eaten very well, so I was just jaloping. Nkabo rice and stew with plantain. I love plantain so much. Nkabo abacha. Hey, abacha enugu. Abacha na-azụ eyeleye. Enjoyment galore.
O nwere ka esi esi nri onye mụ nwa ọfụ. Ị ga-etinye ụzịza na ụtazị ọfụma ka o nwee ike na-ekpocha afọ. A na-esi ji mmiri ọkụ. A na-asụ ji wee mee nsala uti azụ ndụ o yeji were nri ka o wee nọchisịa ihe niile oluzu mgbe ọ na-amụ nwa.
So basically all the Igbo food, but basically the main ones are the nsala and jimirioku. So jimirioku is just like saying hot water yam. So G is yam, the miroku is hot water. So it's like yam pepper soup. It's very, very spicy and it helps the the nursing mother.
Okay, for those that don't know, this is Jimiloko the Sharp. What I go Jimiloko the Sharp, what you go for a woman that just had a baby. Jimiloko yam pepper soup. Nah, Jimiloko the Sharp. You need to eat this.
So how did Omugo, when did Omugo start? How did this start? Who started Omugo?
Even when I'm giving birth, my mother na abiakwala m ọmụgwọ. Ịghọtago? Ka ọ ihe dị adị na onye tota ojoy na onye tota ojoy na maka afọ no ihe na-enye aka na benefit.
Yeah, I think the culture of Omugo has been adopted by so many people. Ndị na-abụrụ ndị Igbo na-emekuzi Omugo. Ma ndị Igbo ma ndị na-abụrụ ndị Igbo na-emekuzi Omugo because Omugo bụ ihe dị mma. Or the woman mụ nwa, mama ya or necessary the woman. Ọ bụ na mama ya dịrị available, biye ga-abịa melu nwaanyị Omugo. So so many cultures have adopted Omugo because Omugo, the idea of Omugo is very, very good. Okay, so this is all part of the Igbo Omugo video because this is Omugo. Yeah. When the baby is crying, we sing Igbo songs we sing Igbo songs for her. So I'll put some clips of Omugo, the bathing of the baby, the cooking of the food, the types of food that we eat during Omugo. This girl, she's ready to teach Igbo. Okay, because no ndị Igbo onye na-amụkwa nwa ya na-akụzikwara nwa ya Igbo, Igbo, na-asụ Igbo, na-ekwu okwu na-asụ Igbo. Not when I'm talking to her, I speak English. When I'm talking to another person, I'm speaking Igbo. I'm speaking Igbo to her so that Igbo will be the first language she knows how to speak. Okay, I see. She said, wow. Okay, how long does Omugo last? Omugo can last anywhere from 1 week to 1 year or even more for some people. Mostly people that are abroad tend to have longer Omugo. Their parents or if their mom is coming from Nigeria for their Omugo, you know, the road is the place is the road they far. You can't just go and come back, go and come back. So they usually stay longer, and that's why my mom is here helping me. For instance, right now she's feeding the baby while I'm making this YouTube video for you guys. Omugo is very, very important. Sometimes people are not able to do Omugo because of so many factors, but if you can, if it's available to you, if you have the means, Omugo is very, very important. And Omugo has now been adopted by even people that are not Igbo people, and they are practicing it because it's very vital.
Omugo abụrụkwa an easy job, so you need to keep fit. So that's my mom keeping fit. Our church members came to visit. We were playing Ludo, na towards na egwu nearly chacha, nearly rice, osikapa na ata chicken. Mena Igbo, anyị na-awụ nwa rụchicha ya rough mama ya mmiri ọkụ ọfụma. Ya na-akpọ colic, mmiri ọkụ ya help afọ ọtịta colic ama na-ata nwa. Unachina Omugo do just ịnọdụ nwa ya. Anything ọbụla m kwesịrị ime, mommy ma na lụma emebe. O decorate go Christmas tree, kuluzie grandchild ya na-agba egwu. For Omugo, my mom was very happy to do everything for me. Everything she helped me to do, literally everything happily. She took the baby outside. Na frozen weather. Okay, so this video is very interesting because it's my mom friend, the women that you saw that were dancing in the other video. They came to the house after like 2 weeks. So my mom was fighting them because she said that it's been long. They have not come to see her for 2 weeks. So Hawena was wrestling. Hana Bamba. So wrestling Kahanemia. These women are so funny and loving. We had a great time. They played so much. I love them so much. So during Omugo as well, the person named Omugo has to take a break. So my mom was taking a break because she hardly slept the night before and during the day. So this was my turn, and my husband made a video of me. So I was backing my baby while my mom was still taking a break. The next day, she was sleeping in the afternoon because she was awake at night, and I was dancing with baby. This is my auntie Lillian again, back with her dance moves. She's always coming to keep my mom company because this abroad can be dry sometimes, but with her by your side, you're gonna have fun. This is my mommy-in-law. She came to see her baby. Aha. It's so funny how this baby brings so much joy to everybody. So mommy is playing with baby. We took a walk again later that evening just to walk around the block in a cold. It was a bit cold, but we wanted to go out. And yes, the cold entered the baby's body, and somehow the next 2 days we landed in the hospital because Oyi Bara Naro, and I rushed to the hospital out of fear. But it was not a big deal. A few hours later, we were back home, and baby was sitting and playing. Omugo is still happening. Mana does God. Trust my mom to have fun. And my auntie Lillian is back again to see her baby. Okay, so in this video we went to the forests, and here I was saying that I was in Umoji.
Is that you?
I don't know Moji. It don't really not local government. I don't know Moji. I don't know Moji. I know Moji. Yeah, be dumb. Ofia forests. Okay, I have to admit my own Omugo was a bit special because I went on holiday with my husband while my mom took care of the baby. Don't worry, I left enough breast milk. We went on holiday. Oh my god, it was so free, just being in the sun, away, just having a good time with my husband. My mom took care of the baby. See, Omugo is good. Omugo gives you a break. Get your mom to come and do Omugo. Omugo, the so we were out there. I was feeling like a motorgo enjoyment, enjoying the sea, doing all the boat cruise and stuff, laughing, having a good time. But it was only for 4 days, because I did not stay longer than 4 days in this holiday. If I had fallen inside this water, what would I have told my Chineke? That he'd give me a child to take care of. I went on holiday. It was fun, but up there I was like, wait, what am I doing? My child is all the way in another country. I'm in another country. Name enjoyment. Imagine this girl in So yeah, this holiday was mostly because of my husband's birthday. I came and I celebrated him, and we were gearing up to go home. At this point, I was like, let us just do this birthday and let me go home and see my baby. I want to go home. And yes, I came back to home to meet my mom and baby playing and having a good time. We had friends and family over again, having a good time. And I'm at Ludo every day. And when they're playing this Ludo, Hannah shout and Hannah enjoy themselves. So I like to video them and to watch them. It was really, really good. This is all part of Omugo. They come to the house, they try and see what do we need. They help us do what they can do around the house just because of Omugo. Now, in the spirit of Omugo, we had visited one of our friends from church, and she had a garden. Like there was nothing that was not in this garden. There was Omugo, there was potato, onions, there was, oh my god, there was There was ede, cucumber, carrots, peas, onion, beetroot, strawberry. Oh my god, this woman has a whole farm. Also now they go vegetable from the shop. Sometime later, we went for my friend's baby's first birthday party, and there was a huge trampoline there. We were jumping like kids. I named one. This is my mother, everybody. Omugo. Please, where is the baby? With my husband. While my mom is jumping. To a beg, have some fun. You know, you only live once. Then I said, I just Scotland, JVCT. A family member in Edinburgh. So we went and we had a good time as well. I used Orion and my mom was like, why play now? So when we got to Edinburgh, we took a picture, and this is her here. We had a good time in Edinburgh, Scotland. Very nice old city, but good scenery. Well, good ambience, good okay. The English. I back enjoy ourselves. Chidakwa back in the day, grace of God, guys. Well, I told you guys my own Omugo was special. My Omugo lasted for like 10 months. So at this time, my baby was already eating swallow. Trust my mommy to feed the baby with igbo ofe egusi, every and any soup. My baby was eating swallow. People come say, this baby is eating swallow. So every. So Omugo was coming to an end, but my mom wanted to make sure that she stocked up the fridge so that we had enough soup for a few months after she had come, before I had to start cooking any soup. So she offer bono, ofe egusi, offer her. In fact, the fridge could not even contain all the orishi osisi. So mommy sisi pack a lot of food before Onaba, Nigeria. At this time I was already sad because I'm like, hey, Chineke, onege mere me heni nene mune mere mo. Getting to the airport, I just feature my eyes. My mom was forming James Bond. She did not cry until she left us. She started wailing in the airplane. Oh no! As I was walking my mom off to departure, I was like, hey, Chineke, life begins from now. In fact, as I was leaving this airport, I didn't even know the first thing to do. Okay, when I get home, is it to feed baby, or to bath baby, or to feed myself, or to come on? I was so confused. But I said, oh no, welcome to real life. We can rugged it. So this was us. A few days later, I had Natago, and I was frying akara just to have something for my family to eat, and my baby also to taste akara. I was frying akara and just, getting used to being a new mom without my mom in the house helping me to do everything. Oh God, I had a great Omugo, guys. Usually this is how Omugo is. Some people would have like 1 month, some will have 2 months, some will have 3 months. It's different for everybody. In fact, I have a friend that her Omugo is still ongoing. Her baby is heading to 2 years. When her mother left, she sent her cousin. When the cousin left, they sent another cousin. In fact, Omugo continue from now. So if you think Omugo was long, imagine people that get Omugo for even their mom is permanently staying with them. Can't know about Omugo forever. Anyways, this was the end product of our akara, and then it was nice. Made it this far watching this video. Thank you so much. Give this video a like, a thumbs up, share with your friends. This is just my brothers and my husband playing Ludo. This is me backing the baby because life is now serious. Onye abụ nwanne m nwoke ọ na-nyere m aka n'ịkụ nwa na-set up ya ejime barbecue after ka mama mesi Omugo. He was really there for me, just help him, encourage him, help him ịkụ nwa, because I was like, Chineke, what is this life? I have suffered. So we have come to the end of the video. And this is Igbo Omugo from my own perspective and experience. Kemesia Mbozo. Bye bye no.